going to prepare a fresh salad of artichoke. We have our heart of artichoke here, already clean, so if you want to know how to clean it, just go on the channel and check on how to clean the artichoke. And we're gonna dry a little bit. We're gonna do a salad with heart of artichoke, shrimp, pecorino, and mint, and top with lemon and olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So we're gonna chop our artichoke. Very thin. I'm gonna put in one small bowl. And then we cut our shrimp this way in half. If you want to cut also in like a butterfly like this, you can do it. And we're gonna cook our shrimp in a pan with a piece of garlic and some extra virgin olive oil. So a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. We had the shrimp. Salt, pepper, okay, don't overcook the shrimp. Nice and roast and soft. Okay, so for the vinaigrette, we just take a little bowl, little salt. We put some super huge lemon juice, some extra virgin olive oil. We dissolve the salt. I'm gonna dress our salad. And we're gonna put our artichoke on the plate. Okay, now we take some leaves, mint leaves. We chop it. And we mix with our shrimp, with the heart or the parfum come up. We put our shrimp on the dish. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some slice of pecorino. A little drop of extra virgin olive oil and a little fresh pepper ground. Okay, our dish is ready. I hope everything was clear, and thank you and see you next time. Ciao!